12 men and women will now decide the fate of a Pitt County man. Tomorrow, the jury will decide whether to sentence Antoine Anthony to life in prison or the death penalty.
WNCT's Zora Stevenson is live outside the Pitt County Courthouse with the latest. Zora.
No decision today, but hours of arguments. The state continues to argue that Anthony knew what he was doing the night of the murders, while the defense says Anthony has a bunch of mental illnesses that he was never treated for, something they say led to this crime.
The defendant's life circumstances do not outweigh the lives he took.
Antoine Anthony is a severely mentally ill man.
Antoine Anthony will soon know his fate, life in prison or the death penalty. Thursday was the last time the prosecution and defense could present their arguments. The state went first. District Attorney Kimberly Robb elaborated on the effects of Anthony's actions.
Murders which left 9 children without a parent, that left 2 children without any parents.
She also talked about the defendant's 13 aggravating circumstances, which include previous murders, armed robberies, and assault of correction officers.
How many people in Pitt County don't have positive father figures in their lives and don't commit homicides?
The defense presented in the afternoon session. Lawyers say Anthony's upbringing, along with failure to properly treat his various mental illnesses, explain his violent behavior.
In a civilized society, we should not kill the mentally ill.
In order for jurors to sentence Anthony to the death penalty, the aggravating circumstances the state presented must outweigh the mitigating circumstances the defense presented. Attorneys left the jury with these words.
Tell the defendant that there are consequences for his actions. It's not his mom's fault. It's not Connecticut's fault. It's not probation's fault.
Justice is never advanced in the taking of a human life. Morality is never upheld by a legalized murder.
Court let out less than an hour ago, and the judge still has to finish giving the jury some instructions, and then they'll start their deliberations. Everything is going to pick back up tomorrow morning. Live at the Pitt County Courthouse, Zora Stevenson, 9 on your side.